Hey there, and welcome back to my YouTube chess channel where we together explore the exciting chess world. Today's topic is a crazy and fast opening trap in the Ruy Lopez opening, aka the Spanish game, that actually works. With this trap, you can trap your opponent's bishop in only 11 moves into the game. So let's not waste time anymore and jump right into it after you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Yes, I'm still waiting. Okay. So how you hopefully already know, this Spanish game, aka the Ruy Lopez opening, goes after pawns to e4 and e5, followed by knights to f3 attacking the black pawn on e5, and knight to c6 defending the pawn. And now white continues with the key, or also called the main move of the Spanish game, bishop to b5. The goal of this trap, which is called the Noah's Ark trap by the way, is to trap the white's light squared bishop here on b5. Therefore, we start with attacking this bishop with pawn to a6, on which they obviously escape here pretty commonly on a4. Now we continue with pawn to d6. This move, or this variation, is called the Steinitz deferred variation, and our opponent now has to answer with the move pawn to d4. So this move isn't really played often by masters and chess pros, like for example chess grandmasters, because they prefer to either castle kingside, so do the short castling like this, or instead also to play pawn to c3 in this position and preparing this pawn to d4 strike instead of striking instantly with pawn to d4 like this without even hesitating. But many chess beginners and also many advanced chess players definitely could play this move pawn to d4. So right now we continue with pawn to b5, attacking the white bishop on a4 again, and basically forcing him to escape back now here on b3 with the intention to after capture the white pawn here on d4 with our knight. After a little exchange of light chess pieces like this, so the player plays the black chess pieces and wants to trap his opponent in this game and in this position, has basically just sacrificed his pawn here on d4. And this is exactly the beginning of the very interesting and strong Noah's Ark trap in the Ruy Lopez opening, aka the Spanish game. Because white, if they fall for the trap, would capture our now sacrificed pawn on d4, on which you have the ability, and well, if you already got into this position, I would also recommend you to use this ability, to play the very strong and also winning move pawn to c4, attacking the white queen here on d4. And maybe your opponent will think now, well, I understand what you want to do. You are attacking my queen now, and in the following move, after I have retreated my queen, let's say for example on d1, you can play pawn to c4, trapping my bishop here on b3. And therefore so the player will place the white chess pieces in this position, have to start a little counter-attack while you are playing pawn to c5, trying to trap my bishop here. Therefore, I will just play queen to d5, advancing the queen one square up, and now threatening not only with checkmate here on e7, on f7, but also threatening to capture the black rook here on a8. And in this position, you can easily defend this by at first playing bishop to e6 like this, not only, yes, defending the rook here on a8 with the queen now, but also not allowing the white chess pieces, so the white bishop and queen here, to checkmate your chess pieces here, or your chess army here on f7. After queen to c6 with check, you just retreat your advanced bishop on e6 on d7 back again, defending and blocking this check, and after the queen has moved back on d5, threatening with checkmate here again, you play now the winning move pawn to c4, trapping and winning the white light squared bishop here on b3 and fulfilling the crazy Noah's Ark trap in the Ruy Lopez opening that actually can work in real games. But wait. What is if white does not follow the trap and capture your now sacrificed pawn here on d4 with his queen? Well, no problem. White has many different options and moves that they can play in this position that all lead to equal positions on the chessboard, so there's nothing bad for you if you play this and sacrifice your pawn here. White could for example play pawn to c3 in this position. They could also play pawn to a4, or also the very interesting and aggressive move, bishop to d5, attacking your rook in the corner of the chessboard with his bishop. So all of these moves lead to equal positions on the chessboard, and this is exactly why this chess opening trap is a very good trap. Because here you don't have to make a mistake or sacrifice something big with the intention that your dumb opponent won't see this, with the intention to strike him afterwards. But this is a trap that you have to know, and if your opponent does a mistake, you can use this and achieve a material advantage, or also win the game or trap an opponent's chess piece, like in the Noah's Ark trap. So if you're interested in the video about these two different kinds of opening chess traps, so the good ones and the bad ones, this is your lucky day, because I've already uploaded a video on my YouTube channel that you can check out either down there in the video description or also here above me somewhere in the info box after you've finished watching this video, because this video is over now. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Till next time, bye!